Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In this video, I'm going to share with you that you don't have to be a big corporation to start earn money with CPA marketing or CPAGrip, CPA lead, CPA offer, or any other network actually that you can make money from that in CPA marketing section right here. So I'm going to share with you step by step in this tutorial whether you are using the CPAlead.com or CPAGrip.com. So I will simply show you step by step that how you can make money with that with simply and easily. So stay tuned to the very end of this video. I'm going to share with you step by step, and you don't need to miss any single part of the strategy. If you miss, then you will be confused and you will not fully understand that how exactly this method in this strategy is working. So before starting the method, I would just request you like the video as an appreciation that can help the YouTube algorithm to push to more people, and that will be the biggest appreciation and the biggest help from your side with this channel and promoting this channel right here. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification into all, because whenever we upload new video, you'll be the first person to just get benefit from that, and you can use that tutorial or that method right there. So the first and important thing is that you need to sign up with CPAGrip, and you can log into your account. As I have before, I have told you that you can use any network you want. For example, if you want to sign up with CPA leads, so you can use this tutorial with that. Actually, it doesn't matter. So you can also use offer vault. So the only thing is that you need to grab the offer and you can start promoting right there. So once you sign up with CPAGrip, I will just give you one example on CPAGrip. You can then simply log into your account. Once you log into your account, you will see the interface something like this, which you will have recently added offers and top performing offers right here. So basically, we can simply just click on recently added offers, because those are the new offers that we can simply reach to more people quickly, and they can also get benefit from that. So we can simply just click on this right here. Once we click on that, then we will be visited to this page right here. So make sure that you sorted or selected the country United States right here, because you will see all the offers from the United States. As you can see here, there are different offers in the United States that we can simply promote right here. So basically, I will just choose you one product or offer right here that we can simply use right here. Right here. Okay, this is the offer watch Disney now, okay, which got $2.39 actually for subscription right here. We can simply just click on that. So basically it is a gaming offer right here that we can simply select, and we can start promoting this. At the back side, we can earning money from that. So what we need to do, we can simply just the United States is that we can simply get the traffic for this right here. So we can also change the domain right here. For example, this is the domain file star fasterfiles.net. We can change into anyone right here. For example, I want this domain, so I can simply change and the link change into that domain. So I can simply just copy the link and I can send and spread on the internet. Whenever people just click on that, they will just redirect to this page right here that you can simply add their email address. Once they submit their email address, so we are good to go and earn money from that right here. So that is called the CPA marketing, which is a smartest way and affiliate, or sorry, CPA marketing right here, that people can make money from that. Even the customer don't want to buy or purchase something like that, so still we can make money from that right here. So what we need to do, the next step for us will be that actually that we can simply just use copy the link from here, and then we can spread it right anywhere we want. So I'm going to share with you three different method and strategy. The first one will be this website, ppcmet.com. So I can tell you that it is not free. You need to pay for that, and it is a paid advertising method, which is the push notification method actually, which is really powerful in nowadays world, and many people are using like that. If you just think about that, when you are using the smartphone and you see push notification something like that, whenever you are using the app or something like that, so we sometimes see advertisement. So those are called the push notification advertisements or ads actually that we can see here. Whenever people just click on that and sign up for that, so the other person or marketer that they are promoting the ad, So they are earning money from that right here. So basically, we can simply use this website for that advertisements. As you can see here, the CPA is 0.0001 right here. The CPM is 0.10 actually, and the CPC is 0.003, which is a great right here. You can simply use here, and you can see here that 1 billion unique visitors they have, and 100 ad viewability they have, and 98% global coverage they have. So that is a great website for promoting your offers right here. And the greatness about this website is right here. So that for a thousands of customers, you will be paid $1, something like that. So think about that. If you just spend $1 and one and thousands of people, your ad is shown to them. So if one single person just sign up for that, you will earn $2.3 or something like that. Okay. $2.39 you will get, means you double your money, something like that. So that is the beauty of this website right here that you can simply use. So the CPA offers are great with these types of promotion or ads right here, that if you simply do that. And similar to this, I can also show you another website, which is this one, the Mega Push is another website actually which works similar to that. And then you can simply sign up with this website right here by just clicking right here. And also they are using the push notification, something like this one or this one right here. As you can see here, a clear example, which is this one, a push notification, and that is also a ad, for example, right here. As you can simply see here, when sometimes people are using the smartphone, when they just uh, opening an app or website, something like this right here, when they click, they see these types of ads right here. So those ads are just promoting by these website right here, that many people are making money from that right here. And you can see here that there is a minimum bid from 0.001 is there. So that means it is a great website that you can use that. So the third website that I will also recommend is this. This is a software actually that I will also give you the link in the description of this video. That nothing is required from you. This is absolutely a two-pilot system. That no list building is there, no social media audience is needed. For example, no optimization is needed, no experience is needed. You just paste the link and that is working all for you on a two-pilot system. So that's why it is a brilliant method and idea actually that you can simply use with CPA offers, and the backside you can earn money from that right here. As you can see here, these are the testimonials examples that other people are already make money from that. So if you like the video, please hit the like button for this video as an appreciation. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that, because every single day we are uploading the paid method and as well as free method to our channel, that you can also get benefit from that. So if you just want the free method, you can also get it on this channel or with us, for example, for free. And if you want paid, so you can also see here. So it depends on you which method or strategy you are interested with, that you can simply use and start making money from that. So hope you like the method, and don't forget to hit the like button for this video. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.